Hello 10th class. Good morning students. Let me today begin the new lesson from political science, that is the problems of India and their solutions. India has faced numerous external and internal problems since 1947. Let us now learn what are those problems. Most of them are human made and national emergencies. So, discuss about some of the problems. The most important problem is population explosion, which directly leads to unemployment. Unemployment is a situation where a person does not find work in accordance to his capacity or qualification. Along with population explosion, improved technology is also considered as one more reason for unemployment. Shortage of natural resources, over dependency on agriculture, ruined cottage industries, and lack of skill based education are also the reasons for unemployment. According to Census 2011, the poverty rate is 21.9%. This indicates growing problem of unemployment. The next problem what we are going to learn now is corruption. It is yet another serious challenge India is facing. It is a social evil in the public life. Corruption means offering bribe and following any other illegal means to achieve some benefits. Corruption stays away from legal framework in its operation. It is actually misuse of public authority for personal gains. It has become a contagious disease and political corruption leads to crime. One serious problem India is facing after independence is gender discrimination. However, this problem was more evident even before independence. Our society is made up of patriarchal values. It discriminates the role of women and men according to the patriarchal values. Hence, inequalities are there between men and women in our society. In her lifetime, a woman performs a variety of duties such as mother, wife, daughter, daughter in law, and shapes a life of man. She also works outside to earn and manage family. Still, in our society, women were considered as lower to men, isn't it? Discrimination leads a kind of stigma women are facing. They ask the society, are they equal to men or not? Educated women are successfully handling a variety of jobs in various fields in the economy. Women are rendering exceptional services in government offices, commercial establishments, educational institutions, hospitals, old age homes, etc. In addition, educated women are playing prominent role in population control too. So, we had the idea of the problems India is facing now. Let me conclude the chapter explanation here. Thank you.